and this is going to be a super excited because this engine is already being washed, khakis inside. So we are going to use this chemical. This is engine cleaner degreaser. It contains chemicals and grease that can make your engine look brand new and blackish like a plow. So this is what we are going to do, and from start to finish we are going to take you through the procedure. It dissolves what grease, dirt, oil, and what dust engine bay. It's convenience and quick on engines only. This is purposely for engines only. So I'm going to take you through. Then you open it, you start to spray it wherever any part of the engine, just spray it, but you have to be careful with your eye contact. Spray everywhere, and after that I'm going to show you what next to do. We are going to spray everywhere, and after spraying you're going to see the magic. It works more than magic, and after this episode this engine is going to look like a brand new. If the engine is too dirty and if it contains much what dust, you cannot get it right. So make sure after washing your engine you just clean it, then you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry. Use a duster foam to clean it, to make it look brand new like a pro. You can spray the servo, every part, or the hoses. Do it ASAP. Then you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you come back and clean it. Don't need to rush for this. Take your time and do it. Take your time for it to dry so that you can able to proceed. As I said earlier, for your eye contact, it is very important to take care of your eye when you are doing this thing. This is more than WD-40 because this is purposely for engine what? Cleaner, and it can clean your engine to look like a brand new. I have my foam here, and after that I'll use it to clean it. Just patiently do it ASAP, and whilst we are doing it, it takes time to dry. That is why I say approximately 5 to 10 minutes. You have to leave it for it to dry so that you can able to clean it. To wipe all the dirt, and you are good to go. Get done yet? You have to spray it to become and you cannot use this for once. You can leave the rest, and then in the future you have access to use it. That is the main purpose. So we are not going to use it only for today, but for the future use. You have to take your time and do this thing. Auto cleaner, engine cleaner, degreaser. It is safe to what? Use on engine part, hoses, gears, chain, pump, fittings, and more. Direction to use. Use on a cool surface. Spray products to at least 4 and 6 inches from surfaces. Allow product to work for 5 to 10 minutes and wipe what? Off the foam. Soft brush or duster and allow it to dry. For heavier dirt and grease, repeat the process. Slight agitation may be what? Needed. Note, surfaces in auto cleaner can react with what? aluminium, creating and bright clean matte finish. These are the things, and the cautions are: avoid contact eye, washing truly with water, keep away from children and animals. This is it. So if your engine is too dirty, you have to repeat it multiple times for it to what? Clean it. So you can wash it for the first time, then clean it, and then come again and don't do it for the third time, maybe second time, so that you can get the best result from this product. If you need it and you want to reach out to us, don't hesitate to put your comment below in the comment section so that we can reach out to you and purchase some for you. We have it and it's available. Okay, all right, this is the final tag. So we are cleaning it. We have waited for about 5 to 10 minutes and it has completely dried. So we are cleaning it with foam, and let's see what will happen at the final. This is the best way and the right way to clean your engine to become fresh and look like a brand new. It also prevents rust, moisture, dirt. If you want to clean engine, look for auto cleaner and we will help you get one. If you want to know this product more, after watching the video, scroll down to read the video description to get to know more about this product and also the important, and avoid some cautions. Make sure when we are using this product, avoid eye contact. It contains high chemical that can hurt you, so be careful with your eye whenever you are using this product, and also check the expiration date before using. Make sure to read the instructions to know the precautions and how to use it before touching it. If you want this product, contact us and we'll get you one ASAP. This is Eric Auto Center. If you are watching my videos for all this while and you haven't yet subscribed my channel, don't hesitate at all to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell to stay updated whenever we upload new videos. This is work like a magic, and look at the engine. The engine is almost look like a pro. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? It's auto cleaner and we recommend to you to buy it ASAP, but it has completely changed this engine look. Look at the engine. Bring the camera here, just go around 360 turn for them to look at it well so that they can able to purchase it. It's more than magic, but before using it, just wash your engine or make sure you have blown all the dust. If it contains too much dust, it will be very difficult to clean it because of the dust. So make sure you have at least use your air compressor air to blow this air, or go to any lube bay with this chemical. They will do it for you and pay something. That's best. If you know you can't do it, don't force yourself to destroy something in your engine at all. This is Eric Auto Center. We are going to bring you, this is a life hack video, and this is what we do behind the scene. Most mechanics don't tell, but this platform is going to tell you everything, because We are learning and we don't want to hide anything we know to our audience out there. Let me see more comment and like this video. Share. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Be better and not bitter. This is the product we are talking about. Engine cleaner degreaser. Engine cleaner degreaser. And this is it. Just take a look at it, but DM me and put your comment in the comment section if you need more update about this product. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.